Hey guys, I'm gonna talk about Royal Q bot. I've just started using this bot few hours ago, and in first 2 hours of my trading, I made about 9 cents. Right? As you see here, this is my second trade, and it's currently running, and which is currently down by 0.49%. Right? So. Let me start talking about this, right? So I started my trade with just $10, and as and when this is the first day, right? So as and when I progress further, I learn more things. I will share about it in my channel here. A lot of me, like you, would be skeptical and would want to know if this is a good investment. Honestly, I can't tell you if it's a good or a bad investment because I've been using it for less than a day. But what I can tell you is based on the research that I did, this seems to be a very promising bot. This seems to be a very promising investment, and honestly, I will be able to tell you more about this, more about a first-hand experience that I received after its usage for a week or two, and I can come back and let you guys know how I feel. No, I myself don't take any unnecessary risk. I come from a middle class family as well, and honestly, shelling out $100 is a very big deal. But I researched about this a lot before I put my money in it, so I would suggest that you do the same. Mhm. To tell you about this bot, is this bot trades on your behalf on Binance.com. Now, it runs 24/7 even if your phone is off, and it makes profits on each and every trade. Even if it can't make any profits on your trade, it will hold your coin. If the price goes down, it will buy the dips to average the price, and once the price goes up, it will sell at profit. What we can tell the bot is how much minimum profit you can take. I have kept my minimum profit at 1%. So every time the price goes up 1% after buying, it books the profit. You can also tell the bot how much to buy when the price is going down. So you can say, let's say you can say 3%. If the price goes down by 3%, buy another $10 worth of coins. Right? I'll talk about profits and how it works in a little later ahead. For those of you who are trading in cryptocurrency, you must have heard about Binance Exchange, right? And those of you who are new to cryptocurrency, I would put link for Binance Exchange down below, so you can go and register yourself. Okay. This bot works on Binance Exchange and does trading through something called as an API management feature. Now, if you are worried that your money is being used for this trading, let me put your mind to ease. This this bot cannot withdraw anything from your Binance account. It can only trade on the coins that you tell it to trade on. And in API feature, you can restrict a lot of things that this bot can or cannot do. We can talk about that later in a separate video if required. But yeah, your money is safe. Now, this bot charges 100 US dollars per year. It's an annual fee, annual subscription fee that you have to pay in order for you to have access to the app, right? And every year you need to renew this $100. Additionally, every time you make a profit, this bot would take 20% of that profit. So, say for instance, your $10 is your profit, this bot would take $2 from your account. Now, based on my calculation, it would take me about 100 to 150 days to get my $100 investment back, and rest of the days is complete profit for me. Right? So it may feel costly at first to see, putting in $100 and then paying 20% every time it makes profit, but It's actually cheaper in a lot of ways. First of all, your money is secured. Even if this bot shuts down completely, your money will still be in Binance. It will still be there, it will still have the trades that are currently going on. Secondly, it doesn't charge you anything unless you make a profit on it. Right? There are a lot of bots out there which charge more than the $100 amount. Plus, most of the bots require you to deposit some amount, $100 or $200, in their app itself so that they can start trading on it. Such bots steal your money, right? Royal Q doesn't have access to withdraw on anything on your account, so it cannot really put anything, out of your account. Um, it is legal, yes, it is completely legal, it's completely legitimate. Um, Now, next question that you would have is how do you book profits, right? So here's something I'm gonna talk about. But before I do that, this is my invitation code. If you guys want to join me and earn, I can put the URL in the description below, right? Now, first and foremost, what you do is you put money into your account. So I've deposited $100 from Binance, and once I do that, I click on, so in this place you would see a button called as activate. Once you click on activate, it will give you an option to charge the account and deduct the $100, right? Then I have deposited $30, which is something called as a fuel fee. Now, fuel fee basically means is that this is the 20% that the bot charges you. So if you have made $10, right, the bot will charge you $2. Now, since it doesn't have access to your Binance account to withdraw anything, it would charge you fees on this account. That's why you have to always keep some amount into your asset, which is technically your wallet, right? Now, after you have updated your VIP, what you will have to do is click on this toggle button. So once you click on this, what happens is that this gives you a questionnaire. It's like a quiz of 3 questions, and you have to read and answer each one of them correctly in order to use the professional edition. Professional edition is nothing but uh, the entire feature of the app gets unlocked. Right? Once you answer all these things, you are now ready to trade. So, what I did first is that I went on this quantitative tab, right? And I searched for a coin that's called as theta, right? And then I opened it up. So once I opened it up, uh, what basically you would have to do is tell the bot what to buy, how much to buy, and when to sell, right? Which is called as your trade settings. Okay. So in trade settings, right, you would see a lot of option here, and honestly, for a newbie or for somebody who's not familiar with this app, is very confusing. But not to worry, you will get the hang of this in like 5 minutes, right? The first thing that you see over here is your first buying amount, which is your $10. So when you start the bot, first thing it will do is buy coin worth 10 US dollars, right? And this tells the bot when to sell. So I've kept my take profit ratio at 1%, right? So every time the coin goes up 1%, this bot will trigger a sell. Now, uh, it just doesn't trigger sell when it reaches $1. What it does is basically refers to earning callback. Earning callback is of 0.2%. Now I'll tell you basically what this means. So you are buying a $10 worth of coin which is costing about $100. Right? Now the price goes up by 1%. Right? And which is, when it goes 1% up, that means is $101. Now the bot becomes active. It says, right, we are now reached the target. Now it will wait for the price to go up or go down by 0.02. So the moment after going up 1%, it goes down 0.02%, it will sell. Say for instance your $100 coin goes up by 1%, then by 2%, then by finally 3%. It would not sell unless the price drops by 0.02%. So in this case, if it went up 3% and it goes down 0.2%, it will sell. Okay, so your $100 coin is now up 3%, it become $103. Right, now it's gonna go down. Okay, the moment it goes down by 0.02%, it will sell. That means once the coin goes to $102.08, it will sell. This is your profit. Okay. Now another thing, right? Now what if the coin is of $100, right, and now it's going down? You have bought $10 worth of coin, right? Now say for instance, refer to this. Okay, say for instance your $100 coin is now going down. Okay, so what we have told the bot is that if it goes down by 2%, buy in one portion of the ratio. What is this one portion? Your one portion is your initial buying amount. So when it goes down 2%, it will buy one portion of this amount. So your $100 coin goes down to $98, it will buy another $10 worth of coin. Now your coin price is now $98. Now it goes down again by 1.5%, which is 96.53%. It will buy 2 times your original amounts, which is $20. Now what you have done is, now this is your $10 which was already there, another $10 and another $20. So you have already bought $40 worth of coins. Now the price is going up, right? The moment it goes up and your profit margin comes again by plus 1%, your bot will trigger, right, and it will sell at a desired earnings callback. So on a minimum, your profit will be, for the $40, which will be your 1%, which is 40 cents, right? So this will be your profit margin. Now let me just show you the live example here. Okay, so the average price of my current investment is $9.04. Okay, the bot has purchased coins worth of $10.28, which is approximately 1.136 theta. The current price is at 9.1%, and my return rate is in positive 0.77. Right now, what this app is going to do is it's going to wait for it to go 1%. So you see over here, it says take profit trigger at 9.205%. So the moment the current price goes above this price, it will trigger, right? And it will wait, and it will wait till the time the price does not fall by 0.02%. It can go as high as 5%, 10%, as long as it doesn't dip by 0.02%, it will not sell. The moment it goes down by this amount, whatever may be your percentage, 2%, 3%, it will sell. Now you see here, the price just went up 1%, and this bot has purchased and sold it. So you see, it sold at this amount, and it bought again at this amount. Right? Alright, so that's it for today. If you guys have any questions, okay, so here's my profit for today, right? So far, I have 14 cents worth of profit. It was 9 cents earlier, now it has 14 cents, right? So this way your profit will always increase, no matter how low the particular coin goes. The moment it start going up above your average price, it will purchase or it will sell in profit. So if you guys have any questions, just leave it down in the comments. I will get back to you, and I will answer as much as I can. If you want any other details, let me know. I can record another video for that same, and I'll give you guys more information. And frequently in a couple of days, I will keep on giving you more stuff to look at my account. I will give you my trade history. I will show you my profit margins, and so you guys can figure it out for yourself if you want to go into this particular investment or no.